Honeypot Children's charity has been going for over 20 years now. We provide respite breaks for children between the ages of 5 and 12. Most of these children are young carers, so they are responsible for helping parents look after perhaps a disabled sibling, or perhaps a parent is ill and they assist in taking care of that parent. Honeypot gives them a lovely break away from that stressful situation. While the children are here, they get to play. There's no specific structure to what we do here at Honeypot. We've got bikes, we're going to have a pool, we have a lovely play area, we've got trampolines, we've got a craft room, we do baking, lots and lots of activities for the children to have fun. We don't take children out of school, we go and pick them up on a Friday. They'll come here and leave on a Sunday, and they've just had this wonderful, wonderful break away from home. The percentage of children attending Pen y Bryn from Wales is currently 62%, so the grant from Hanfod Cymru will fund 3 of these respite breaks away, which makes such a massive difference to the children that we're working with.